Hello, today is Wednesday the 12th of January 2011 and we're looking at the pound dollar daily chart. Now today's been a very exciting day on the pound dollar. If you look at this current daily bar, it's gone rocketing up. We opened at 156 and we're now up to 15773, so that's an incredible leap. And hopefully you would have made caught a lot of those pips in the last recording a couple of days ago. We were here on this pip here, and I was saying that we'd been a little chaotic over the last few days. I wasn't really sure which direction it was going to go. We had this major downward trend this way, and we had the beginnings of what looked like a reversal. It broke through here but then failed, came down a bit, then broke through again. And it's been very volatile, very difficult to judge. We have various pivot points in this area as well. We had one here, we had one just here. We were sort of stuck bouncing between that one and that one last time. Yesterday we had doji, and bouncing very close to the support and resistance. So I was thinking last night we would probably reverse and go back down, but you can predict what you like in the forex. You try. It's a game of probabilities. I decided to wait to see what would happen today. We started going long, and perhaps my first entry point would have been just on this recent high, but I decided to wait until we broke past the 61.8 retracement of the previous downward move, and so we broke through that, and that's when I've gone long. So we are now. I'm about roughly 170-80 pips up, I think, something like that at the moment. My stop losses are break even, and I'm just going to start moving it up. Maybe we'll grab sort of 40 pips, 30-40 pips stop loss, guaranteed profit before working out what to do later. So I'm going to hang around and wait until the market shuts for today. Probably keep my stop loss, maybe 30-40 pips below where I currently am. See what happens towards the end of the day, because we on an intraday basis you tend to get big moves towards the end of the day as well as at the beginning, so as the markets close. So let's see what happens. We do have a 0.5 retracement up here, which is close to the 0.236 of the other move, these two Fibonacci moves. Let's zoom out a bit and we can just pick that up. We had this one here, and in fact let's Fibonacci properties. Let's change that color to say bright lime green to make it a bit more distinctive. So now you can see that we're close to the 61.8% retracement. We broke through that, and now we're 61.8 plus a support and resistance. I was quite impressed when we broke through that. So because that's normally a very good indication of a reversal. But we broke through it, and I waited until we broke through it before I went long. And we're coming up close to a 0.5, a 50% retracement on this original move, and a 0.236 retracement from this move. So it's an interesting area. It could be a target for potential reversal. So we'll keep following it upwards we'll follow our stop loss behind the trade, and we'll see what happens. As I've said many times before, Forex is a game of probabilities. You can't be certain of anything. I was pretty sure yesterday we would go down today, but we didn't. Unfortunately, these indicators are indicators. And what I mean, indicators indicate something. They can't be absolutely certain about it. Only price action will confirm what the indicators tell you. So always be patient. I marked off an area thinking, okay, we were either going to come back down. If I'd been broken through this support and resistance area, I would have gone short. And I said if we broke through this support and resistance area, we go long. Well, we broke through that one, plus the 61.8, and we went long. So there you are, in a nice profitable position. I hope you guys have also got into that, and let's wait and see what happens. Move your stop losses to break even at least, or at least you can quite comfortably grab 30-40 pips at this stage and just sit. If it turns around and comes back and stops out, who cares? You made 40 pips. Okay, the secret to success in Forex trading is preserving what you've got. That's your highest priority. The next priority is then finding safe and profitable trades to try and increase your pot. Okay, so always be cautious. Always assume every trade that you make is going to go wrong. That's why you have to put your protection in. Okay, your stop loss protection. We go to, let's have a look at the weekly chart. And well, if we look back here, we had this very large up move back. This whole thing here could be a retracement of that move, so we could be heading much further up, which is a possibility. Or we could be carrying on. I mean, this high is lower than this one and this one, so it's possible that we can carry on down there. We just don't know, and I wouldn't like to speculate, but we were close here to the, I can't see that properly, let's have a quick look. Down here we were fairly close to the 50% retracement on this move when we came back down here, so it's interesting. And if it carries on up this trend line, we can adjust this trend line slightly to take into account a new trend, and then see where it goes from there. So anyway, at the moment we're long. We've got stop loss of break even, above break even, so we've got guaranteed. I've guaranteed myself about 35 to 40 pips, and I'll keep trailing up behind it. So thanks very much for watching. Please check out my website, www.firststepsinforex.com, and if you go there, you can download my free 150-page manual and 6 videos that tell you how to get started on trading Forex. Okay. It's a great beginner's guide to get you going. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll update again in a couple of days on Friday. Thank you, and good night.